was briefly.
Side by side, Marquez and Vincenzo. Did they almost them were giving that one up, and it's cost them dearly, and that means now we have been such a start, and now Rins goes up the inside of Marquez. Oh, and Dobby's up the inside as well.
Heart-stopping Stein, way up the inside and Miller into turn 6. He does, because Miller had a big moment on the front end. Left it here.
And this is as far back as he's been in a long, long time. Dobby up the inside of Miller there. He's up into third.
Marquez drive. Dovizioso powers on through. Dovizioso second.
Gonna fly past Alex Rins on the Suzuki. Quartararo there with 3/4 of a second in his back pocket already. Marquez
On the hill into turn number 4. Rossi's on the charge. He started 10.
Crutchlow, he's gone down and he's holding his hand. And there is Pollers.
He's under pressure from Marc Marquez. Rossi has made a great progress. Up 5 places from 10th to 5th.
Rins flying.
Rins keeps making mistakes. In fact, Vinales almost